Hello everybody and welcome to another one of my videos, and today we will be using unit fractions to understand the size of a whole. So let's begin our lesson. Jacob, Layla, I think it says Layla, and Alexa are running a relay race with a total distance of 1 mile. They each run an equal distance. What fraction of 1 mile will each student run? Draw a model to explain your thinking. So let me get my paint out and we'll see what we can come up with. So this is a track, and this is them. Drawn really badly. I'm just trying to do it quick so that we don't waste time. And they're running a mile. So if they run an equal distance, then maybe they would do half of the race, or a whole race, which would be one whole. Maybe. But right now, they're going to be doing 2/4. So I think that because 2/4 would usually be 2/4 of a mile would usually be the time that the length that I would run if I ran. So I picked that. So complete the whole. Round 1. Cards have either figure or a unit fraction. Draw a card from each pile and complete the whole using a figure shown as the unit fraction piece. Okay, so let's see that. So I don't really understand that much about what this is trying to tell me. But cards have either a figure or a unit fraction. So let me just draw a couple cards. And fill them with a unit fraction. So I'm going to 1/4 for this one. No, 1/9 for this one. 1/2 for this one. 6/8 for this one. 3/4 for this one. And then the last two are going to be figures. So let's draw a circle / square and divide it into equal parts. And I'm going to color in 2 of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 2/5, and let's do this. And color in 4 of these. To be honest, I'm not sure how many there are. Just wanted to color them in. So now I'm gonna close my eyes. Draw a card from each pile and complete the whole using the figure shown as a unit fraction piece. So I'm gonna close my eyes and pick randomly what this one is. My mouse was all the way down here, but I guess that's closest to 6/8. And then I guess we'll complete it by making it an 8. I'm not sure. But I guess that's what we did. So we can start with a hole and partition it into pieces, or we can start with a piece and create a hole from it. Denominators help us reason about the number and size of equal size pieces that make one whole. So this is 1/6. And 6 of these equal one whole. It's basically what they're trying to tell us. So this equals this, but if we do it 6 times, because the denominator is 6, then it equals to one whole. How many 1/5 size sections are in a whole? How many 1/8 size sections are in a whole? Use each figure to show what that hole might look like. Okay. So let's erase this. Partly, so that we don't waste too much time. And how many 1/5 sections are in a hole? So imagine it like this, if you don't understand. So we have this, and now we're supposed to split it into 5 parts. So how many 1/5 sized sections are in a hole? So let's do this. Like this. And I try my best to do it. So it's not going to be perfect. Like that. And that's doing the last bullet point with 1/5. And I'm also going to do it with the triangle. Make that more straight. So 1, 2, no. It's confusing how to do it with a triangle. Like this. So maybe like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, maybe? Maybe like that. Yeah. We should do it like that. And the next one. If this rectangle is 1/4 of a whole, which figures below are equal to one whole? Select all that apply. So now we're going to do some practices, 2 practices that we can work on our skills and practice with. So I'll repeat the question if you didn't hear that well. If this rectangle is 1/4 of a whole, which figures below are equal to one whole? This is equal to one whole. this is equal to 1 whole. Maybe you just make that smaller. And this would equal to 1 whole. This would not equal to 1 whole because these two are the size of that, while these two isn't the size of this. So that's the reason why number A is not a correct answer. And actually, D is not a correct answer either because it's too small. If this small rectangle is 1/8 of a whole, which figures below are equal to 1 whole? Select all that apply so we can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is the denominator. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that is not one of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this is one of them. 1, 2, okay. No, we already know that this is not one of them because they're not equal. Because this whole, those two halves equal one of those. So, and it's split in half, so we can't count that as one of them. And now we are on to our last practice, which will be, if this rectangle is 1/3 of a whole, which figures below are equal to 1 whole? Select all that apply. So, yeah, this one could be correct because it has three of these rectangles, and it can be. So that's a check. And this one is an X because not equal. They are not equal or not equivalent. And this one is, and this one is not because this equals the one up there, that whole. So if you take away this line, then it will be equal to that. So, as we have finished our practices, as you can see up here, card 10 out of 10. I'm just going to circle that for you. Card 10 out of 10. We have finished. So, thank you guys for watching, and like and subscribe for more. See you guys next time. Bye.